Beautiful. What I'm going to fry right now, I'm going to use this because I have 1,000 things to do. I want to finish with this, put it in the oven, go and sit down and edit. So this frying pan is a must-have. It's the best because not only that you can fry things in it. Do you know that you can also put it in the oven? Warning, it has burned my children here badly sometimes, so you should know that. Okay, I'm going to have a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil in this pot. Okay guys, so I'm going to make a very simple food. Everything here is soft. The tomato is soft. I've thrown a lot of them away. So what I'm saving now, I'm going to make some magical omelette. Everything, spinach, tomato, salad leaf, onion. So if you have things at home, if you have been traveling and there are things in your kitchen, you can do this.
Now put everything that you have in your kitchen that is about to get spoiled, put them here instead of throwing them away.
In this bowl, we have spinach, we have tomato, and we have some dried pepper. One is enough.
Ours is gonna be too spicy.
There is everything here. Everything we have. As you can see, there is not much oil in the pot. I just put my big commotion. Everything is there. If you have some bacon, you have some sausage, just add it, guys. Add it.
Do we have some?
No, I know you will love that better.
Okay.
Because this is a food for leftover goods like egg, whatever you have in your kitchen. Like now, we have spinach, we have onion, we have salad leaf. I'm going to remove this and send it into the oven. This is heavy. Woo! Just bend it on. Son, you see, she's looking beautiful there. Beautiful. Stay there. She's going to be there until I see that the top is dry. So it's time for the bad boy to come out. See? She's looking good. Be careful with your hands. So what I'm doing is not for people with weak hands like my daughter. Like, this is going to be a disaster. But that's it. Beautiful, delicious omelette.
No oil.
No oil?
No, don't put oil. It's always so spicy.
That's true.
Yeah, every time you make omelet.
Okay. My daughter says no oil.
Now the oil I'm adding into this omelette is homemade chili oil. I bottle them and keep them for 1 year. I promise you, it's very, very hot. That I will show you in another video.
I think that omelette is a bomb. She's beautiful. Beautiful. We are going to eat it with some bread that I've just put there. See, I have a tips, guys. I have a tips on how to make this bread. I will show you later when you buy them like this, what you can do to keep them fresh.
I feel like Queen Elizabeth. Have you seen the video where she cuts a cake?
She's good. Imagine how many she's back. I want to say, imagine how many cakes she has cut, and then she cannot even cut a cake. Interesting.
Bye. Bye, guys.